Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.
Hello guys, I'm Radishan here and welcome back. So it's been a long time since I uploaded my last video on YouTube. Nothing, just some personal issues and not getting any views from my sweet viewers. As love you all. So I'm going to start a new course on YouTube, and it's about data structures and algorithms in Python. So I just selected Python because it's very trending actually for game development, web development, machine learning, AI, and all the things. So it's not like the Python course like just studying some basic tokens, operators, switch statements, and all the things in Python. Is like learning the core part. The data structures and algorithms are very important in any programming language. If you know them, you can adapt to any other language. You can learn any other language, and it's very easy for you to deal with other languages. So that's why I'm making this course about the data structures and algorithms in Python. So let's start the first videos. What is data structure and what is an algorithm? Okay,
So guys, let's start. What are data structures? So data structures are different ways of organizing data on our computer that can be used effectively. Like I'll give a pictorial representation of that. So here we have some pieces of wood pieces, and different color. So if I'm asked to select a black color, it will difficult for me to select from this first sheet. It looks like sheet actually. So it's not in an order. So in the second case, this thing is ordered in an efficient way, so that it's very easy for me to select one. I'm going to select this sheet color. So it's that easy. So here we have two situations. The first thing is to sell tickets to a bunch of idiots, and they are standing like this. So I won't give any shit. So it's not a perfect way of doing this. And the second big, we have the queue. The queue actually is a data structure in Python, and we will discuss about that in the future classes. Okay, and in this case, in the table the books are not in an order. If we need to select or pick one, we have to throw it all the books down, up and down, and all things will be like that. In the second case, it is arranged as a stack. So the stack is a data structure in Python, any language. So guys, let's discuss about algorithm. So an algorithm is simply a set of steps to accomplish a task. There is some task that in this case, the task is we have some input. What is input? Just some meaningless thing, and we have to convert it into the meaningful way, the output. So this is the task, and the algorithm is the set of steps that we need to perform to accomplish this task. Okay, so as a definition, you can say like the algorithm is a sequence of instructions that one must perform in order to solve a well formulated problem. That's all. So this is simple. The simplest algorithm is defining the steps that for a process. Maybe if you know to cook something, maybe some curry or something like that. There's a set of steps, and you can do it without any order, blah blah blah, like that. So like this, the task is put the book in box. That's the simplest thing. So first step is open the box. Second, pick up the book. Third, put it. That's simple. So guys, thanks for watching this video. and keep watching my videos. And this is the first part of the course, and I'll come back with the second part next day. Thank you, love you all.